Let's talk about what I've learned. Here is the piece which I've learned, I've practiced with these 300 plus customer meetings, and I think it works. The simple framework. I started with use cases, I started with tools and these things, and none of that helped. The thing which really, really resonated with my customers, with myself, my team, is simple steps. This step starts with looking at your business by function. Function is nothing but a department or a function of a business, like marketing, sales, customer success, operations, finance, you name it, HR, legal. This is in every business. There is nothing new about it. The best way to start is pick one function, and I'll tell you which functions are most beneficial. But don't boil the ocean by going across the board. Start with one function. Identify the top three, start with one of them and go deeper into that function. Talk to the business leader of that function and go in details. Start with the next step, which is challenges and pain points. What are the biggest challenges and pain points? Forget about the upside. Start with simple. What is your day-to-day challenge? What is the thing which is the most wastage of time and energy cycles in terms of manual efforts? Go and knock that off. Build 3-4 use cases based on that flow, and then prioritize it with one thing. Don't boil the ocean. This is another big thing I've learned. Do not boil the ocean, which means don't try to do all of it at the same time. Just pick one and stick to that and solve that before you move to the next one. Define the outcomes. Outcome definition is very, very critical, right? And outcome definition is what is that thing which is being done in the from a justification point of view. What I've learned is don't go after complex matrix and these things. Just stick to these three things which I've understood, and it resonates very well with every business person. Every person in the world can understand who is in a business. Productivity gains, which means time to market, time to get things done, or savings in time. Cost savings is my second thing. Everybody understands cost savings. How much you're saving cost is what you need to think about. Cost savings, there's a caveat there, by the way. Don't think always about cutting cost. There's a better way. You can also think with AI, how can I not waste more money to achieve more? Think of this. You don't have to go and cut your existing employees. Instead, when you want to add more capacity, think about AI agents, think about digital workers, and that is a better strategy. Do more with less. Double the output with 1.4 times of your input, right? So cost savings, business growth. The easiest way to find justification in the investment of AI is don't go and try to erode small things and save dollar here and there. Go find, if I use this technology, if I put X dollars here, how much more additional dollars or more profits I can get for my business. And use case becomes much easier to understand. So those will be my simple workflow: functions, challenges and pain points, prioritize the best use case, start with one, not all, go step by step, solve one problem at a time, and then make sure you clearly define the outcomes broken into productivity, cost savings, and business growth. Extremely important. Let's look at what I see as 2026 predictions, or what is there for us in 2026, and purely in a business language. The first one, I think 2026 is going to be the year where agents are going to move from demos to operations. There have been tons and tons of claims, and market is flooded with the word agents, but it has been the year of 2025 where we have been seeing demos. Oh, agent can do this, agent can do that. But I think 2026 is the year where the agents can move into proper operations. And I strongly believe in that. The second big one, which I'm a really fan of, I'm a fan of those words which I'm going to talk now. 2026 is the year of voice. And I can tell you guys, the voice has blown my mind. In 2025, I discovered the power of voice, the power of voice related outputs. It's mind blowing. It has changed my life, right? Let me tell you what. I do not type anything anymore. I only speak on my phone, on my laptop, on my computer. I only talk. I have tools like I have Whisper Flow, which is my favorite. And I have become like at least 4 times productive because of that. Amazing tool. Just press the button, speak, it'll convert that voice to text, draft it, and paste it correctly. 2026 is also going to be the year of AI orchestration. It's not spoken so much, but it's a year of AI orchestration. It is, what it means is you will have multiple systems, multiple models, different AI agents, and how do you put all of that together to make it work for you? That is a thing which is called AI orchestration, and that is going to be 2026 key thing. Model, multi-agent. Remember these two words. I really love these two words. The day I understood, it took a long time for me to figure out exactly the good definition of this. Multimodal is text, voice, vision. Any 3 forms of engagement with the agent is multimodal. Text could be email, SMS, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Slack, chat, anything. Voice can be web call, phone call, online meeting, anything. Vision is what your agents can see through cameras, what agents can see on the screen, what video feed they can analyze, what images they can analyze, what videos they can analyze, and how that output comes out. That is vision. If your inputs and output can be of any of these 3 types and 3 types of output, that is called a multimodal engagement. The last buzzword in the words category is human in the loop, HIL, or HITHIL, human in the loop. Let's keep it simple, right? And that's a buzzword, but I think more than buzzword, it is the right thing to do. I strongly believe that is the right way to implement stuff. Human will always be in the loop. AI literacy is going to be the next important thing for you to get a job. AI literacy means you need to know what AI tools are out there, what is prompting, what is context, how to prompt, how to engage, and how to get things done from AI for your work and your business. That is AI literacy, and that's table stakes. If you don't know this, you're not going to get any job in the future. So please take it very, very seriously. Operating model, but not piles of tools. Don't go on shopping spree of spending thousands of dollars on buying tools like me. But that's my job. I go and try new things so that I can share and build the right solution and share the right solutions with you guys. Intellectual property is the next topic. Intellectual property is not going to be the breakthrough models. The IP is going to be in those smart people who can put these 4 puzzle points together: AI, code, business, and humans. Someone who understands how to put these 4 things together, that is the best IP you can build in 2026 and forward. Remember one thing: AI cannot replicate genuine human connection, which means you focus on human-centric skills, sales, leadership, EI, emotional intelligence, and these are the things which will become premium. If you have not learned these soft skills, which unfortunately cannot just come from books, it has to be coming from real experience. These are going to be premium skills, guys. AI cannot replicate them yet, at least. So that is your differentiator. This is for my business audience, those executives who are figuring out, those business owners, those founders who are figuring out how to get things done or to get started with AI. Here is what I would say: start with customer experience, cost, and revenue related stuff. The simplest 3 functions which I spoke are marketing, sales, customer success. You cannot go wrong with AI use cases in these 3 functions. Every business needs it. If your AI implementation dollars are not going in one of these 3 in the beginning, you will most likely not get the approvals for the next batch because you will not be able to show success in the fastest time. So if you want to see quick success, real beneficial use cases and outcomes, marketing, sales, customer success, talk to us. We have agents built in this state-of-the-art multimodal multi-agent systems, proven by spoken to 300 plus customers, and based on that plus 25 plus years of experience, we have packed all of that. It's working. It's doing real good outputs. Talk to us. Pick 3 use cases in these functions. Start with 1. Most important, start with 1. Don't try to start all of it together. Put humans in the loop. Communicate. Don't remove jobs. Add agents. Augment your organization with humans and AI agents combined to do more. That's the right way to think about it. And finally, invest in AI literacy. Every dollar you spend, every hour you spend on educating yourself, your team, your peers, and how AI can work for us, better it is for all of us. With that, I want to close today's video. If you're a small and medium business leader in 2026, AI is not an option, guys. It's a must. If you miss out, you're gone. Your competition is going to eat out your share, your lunch, your breakfast, your dinner for free. So get started with understanding AI. You know your business better than any one of us. Talk to the right companies, talk to the right people who know AI better, bring them in and let them help you solve your business. This is not a DIY stuff. Don't try to waste your time. The only thing you're going to do is lose time. And time is money. And AI is moving very, very fast. So it's about building repeatable systems, which is what we do. We have tons and tons of experience in technology for a long time. We've got some great minds put together. So feel free to reach out to us. Reach out to Rahul Bhauser, founder and CEO of AI Accelerate. Happy to help.